As someone who takes sustainability seriously, I realized how much energy I was wasting on my old washing machine. I used to spend a fortune on electricity bill and it made me feel guilty. And that's when I discovered the Samsung 7 kg 5-star washing machine and was drawn to its Ecobubble feature. Hello there, I'm Anushka Chauhan and I'm here to talk to you about my experience with the Samsung Ecobubble washing machine. The new Ecobubble technology is amazing. It creates rich and powerful bubbles which penetrates the fabric up to 2.5x faster and gives 20% better fabric care. All this while using 73% lesser energy and 19% lesser water than other top loads. I can also hygienically clean clothes by washing it at a higher temperature. This not only eliminates stains and oily marks but also removes up to 99.9% of bacteria. What really impressed me about this washing machine is a digital inverter motor. It's designed to provide long-lasting, powerful performance with less energy and noise. The large capacity feature has been a lifesaver for me. I can quickly wash a large load of laundry, including bedding and towels, without any hassle. And finally, let's talk about the warranty. The Samsung 7 kg 5-star washing machine comes with a comprehensive 2-year warranty on the product and 20-year warranty on the motor. This gives me the peace of mind that I need. Its incredible features have made doing laundry an easier and more enjoyable task. Upgrade to the Samsung Ecobubble washing machine today. Head over to Flipkart and make your purchase today.